So this one is open. Let's see if we can. This is so cool. Let's open the bigger one. Then these are the scissors. Okay, just open another one. Just open that. Ooh, this is nice. So cool.